Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about APA referencing. APA means American Psychological Association's referencing. How to write a bibliography in APA style. That we are going to discuss today. We are going to discuss both APA 6th referencing style and 7th referencing style. 6th edition and 7th edition's referencing style. Before going to the video, we will see what is APA. What is the meaning of APA? We used to listen that word always while writing the references. You have to write in APA reference style. So what is that APA? APA means it is a style of documentation by American Psychological Association. American Psychological Association, APA. That is a style of documentation, and this thing is mainly using in social sciences, educational fields, medical science, and of course health sciences and nursing field. So this thing we are using, this documentation style we are using in health science field and educational field. While writing this APA styles of referencing, we have to keep some important points, and there are some core components are there that we are going to read and study in this video. So two things you have to keep it in your mind in APA styles of referencing. They are text citations and reference page. I will tell in simple way. Text citation means the citation within the text of your paper. So inside the paper, that is text citation. And reference page. Reference page means at the end of your paper. So 2 points always you have to keep it in your mind while writing APA styles of referencing. You have to think about text citations, that means inside your book what are all the things, and reference page, that means at the end of your book or end of your paper, that is reference list. So these things you have to keep it in your mind before going to start writing APA styles of referencing. Now we will see an APA reference must include some important points, like important principles you have to follow while writing APA styles of referencing. They are: be on a new page. Always use a new page and don't use like a continuation and at the end of the page and the middle of the page, like that. Don't take and don't use for APS referencing style. You have to use a new page. So be on new page, be centered, and be alphabetically, and if multiple works by same author means then order the things by date. So these points you have to keep it in your mind to write in APA styles of referencing. Be on new page, be centered, be alphabetically, and if multiple works by same author means then order by date. Now we are going to see some core component of APA, some important components you have to follow while writing APA styles of writing. Either it is 6th edition or 7th edition, doesn't matter. This core component you have to keep it in your mind, you have to study, then it will be easy to write this APA styles of writing, APA styles of documentation or reference style. First thing is author rules. Author rule means if one author means how the things would be, and if multiple author means how the things would be, and that we are going to see in this slide. If one author means initials are separated and ended by period. Initials are separated and ended by period. And if you see this example, it will be more easy for you guys. John, Adam, Michael. In APA styles, what author rule you have to follow means you have to write the surname. That means the last name you have to write first. Here, John, Adam, Michael. So in that, what's the last name? Michael. So you have to write this Michael first, then put a comma. Then from John, Adam, from two names, you take the first alphabet of each name. So from John, J, and from Adam, A. So Michael, comma, write J, then put a full stop, and write A, put a full stop. So these rules you have to follow while writing APA styles of writing. Then at the same time, multiple authors are there means are separated by comma. Okay, again see this example, then it will be easy for you. John, Adam, Michael, Thomas, John, other Tom Coyne. So three authors are there means how you have to write means again the same thing you follow. From John, Adam, Michael, take Michael, then comma, J dot A dot comma. Then from Thomas, John, John, comma, T dot comma, and from other term Cohen, comma, A dot T dot. So this is the format and this is the rule, that is the author rules you have to follow in APA styles of referencing. Okay. Now we will see more authors means if many authors, like more than 6 authors means only first author surname should be stated followed by et al. You have to write et al. To indicate many authors, we will use the word et al. So only the first author surname the same way. Okay. So you can write Michael, comma J dot A et al. So you have to write et al. That word you have to use to indicate the remaining authors. So these are all the authors rule you have to follow in the case of APA styles of referencing. Next thing is year rule. After writing this author name, you have to write the year name and it should be in a bracket. If you see this example, you will get more understanding about that. It will be easy for you guys to understand. You have to write Michael, comma J dot A, comma John, comma T dot, comma and Cohen, comma A dot T dot in bracket, write the year, that is 2017 dot. So in this way you have to write the year. So year always in the bracket. Then title role. Okay, title role. What is the title role? After the year you have to write the title. So there is a process and structure will be there for APA styles of writing. First you have to write the author name. There is a rule you have to follow. Then you have to write the year. There is a rule for writing the year. Then you have to write the title, and the title will get changed depending upon what is being referenced. See this example, then it will be easy for you. So after writing the year in bracket, put a dot, then write the title and complete with a dot or full stop again. So Michael J.A., John T and Cohen A.T. in bracket the year, then put full stop, then write the title, that is parameters measurement systems, then put full stop. This is the title rule you have to follow in APA style of referencing. Okay, so we have completed author rule, year rule, title rule. Now we are going to publishers rule. Here we have to add city and country name, and there is some specific rules are there in the case of city and country name also. If it is in USA means write the city name, that means in United States of America means write city name and 2 letters of the state code. And if it is outside USA means you write the city name and state name completely. Okay. Example, if it is in USA means you can write California, comma CA. Okay. If Pearl, comma MS. Like that you can write. If it is outside USA means you can write Sydney, comma Australia. Bombay, comma India. Like that you have to write. Then to try from URL rules. That's the last rule. If it is an online source means add URL address also. You know what is URL address means? That is HTTP www.google.com, like that, some sciencedirect.com, pubmeddirect.com, like that. You have to write the URL address also. So these are all the rules you have to follow while writing APA style of referencing. So again repeating, first one is author rule, second thing is year rule, third thing is title rule, then fourth one is publisher rules, and last thing, if it is an online source means this URL rules, URL address, http www.sciencedirect.com, pubmed.com, that URL address also you have to write. So this many things you have to understand properly to write this APA style of writing. Next, some examples you can see. If you have taken the notes from a textbook means how you have to write the reference. In APA style means in this slide, simply you can understand from this slide, simply easily you can understand how to write the reference in APA format if you have taken the content from a textbook. You can see here Smith, comma M dot J dot and Thomas, comma R dot S dot in bracket year dot theory of nursing a guide, and in bracket you have to write the edition, then full stop, that should be in italics, and then write the state and country and state code like Madison, comma MS, that's in US, so Madison MS, then Spring Publisher. So in this way you can write. Then if it is an ebook means the same thing you write and add one more thing, that is retrieved from http www.library.com. So URL address also you have added. So in this way you have to write the APA style of writing. Then website reference. If website reference means in this way you can write. If you see this slide you can see how to write that. You have to write the author name, then year and the date. This is a website reference of year, date and month, then the topic, that means the title name, then retrieved from where. More than one author means Smith, MJ and Thomas. 2018 in month and date and theory of nursing a guide in italics, then retrieved from. This is a website reference, so retrieved from that. You have to write like this. Then if it is a journal with DOA, DOA means date of issue. Okay, so if you see the journals in the upside or the top, upside top or downside, you can see this DOA address. Okay, so that also you have to add it if you are writing a journal. So if journal with two authors means you can write like this, write the authors names, then year, then the topic, that means the title, then from which journal you have taken, that is qualitative health research. Okay, that is in italics you have to write. Then volume and edition. Okay, 17th volume, 10th edition, it should be in bracket, and then page number you have to write, you have to put full stop, then you have to write the DOI. If three authors means the same rules we are following, but you have to write, after writing two authors you have to put an and write the third author name, then year, then the title rules you have to follow, then publishers rules you have to follow. But if journal means write the edition and volume and page numbers too, then you have to write the URL address also. So this is the format you have to follow. Then if 4 to 7 authors means write the author's name, year rules, title rules, then page number and edition rule. If it's there means that you have to write. Then DOI rules. That means there's URL address rules. Okay, so in this way you have to write. So if you see this example, it will be easy for you to understand the APA style of referencing. Then we are going to study what is APA style of reference 7th edition. So in 7th edition, some minute changes they have done from the 6th edition that we are going to see now. APA referencing style is an author date style. So they are telling that it is a author date style. So we have to add all the author's name and the year of publication in round brackets. Already the same thing we have followed in 6th edition also. Use only the surname of the authors followed by the comma and the year of publication. The same thing again we have already discussed in the 6th edition, and include page number, chapter or section numbers if you need to specify. Okay, if any page number and volume edition is there means you have to specify it. For example, if you are quoting or paraphrasing or summarizing. And no distinction is made between books, journals, articles, internet documents or other format except for electronic documents and that do not provide page number, and in that case use paragraph number if available. And last thing is reference list in APA are arranged in alphabetical order. So these things we are following in 6th edition also. Now we will see some minute changes that I have done in 7th edition. If multiple authors means in the text citation means inside the book, what changes they have done means till 3 authors means, or up to 3 authors means write all the authors name. Okay, if more than 3 authors means write the first author name and you can put et al. Okay, and in reference list means at the end of the book you will write the bibliography. No, that is reference list. Up to 20 authors name are there means you have to write all the authors name. If more than 20 authors means you write 19 authors names and try followed by that put ellipses, that means dot 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 and then final author name. So this is the minute changes they have done in 7th edition in the text citation and the reference. Okay, in text citation maximum 3 authors names you can write. After that if more than 3 authors means put et al. If in the reference case, text citation means inside the textbook and reference means at last, don't get confused that. Then place of publication is no longer included in references. Then include the issue number in parenthesis, that means in bracket immediately after the volume number for all journals that have an issue number. Example, 4th volume 10th edition means 4th in bracket 10th. 6th volume 7th edition means 6th, and as soon as completing the volume you have to write in bracket or immediately in bracket you write 6th edition. And DOA are given in the following format. So in this format you can see in this slide, no need of writing retrieved. Okay, so no need of writing retrieved, that word is no need of writing. Directly you can write http://doi.org and the DOI you can write. Then for electronic works which do not have DOI or directly linking URL, the reference should be the same as the reference for a printed version of the work. So these are all some minute changes we have seen in 7th edition. So either it is a 6th edition or 7th edition, you have to follow the core component of APA styles of writing. That means already I have told you author rules. Then after author rules you have to follow first author rule. Then you have to follow year rules. Then you have to follow title rule. then you have to follow publisher rule, and if URL is there means URL rule. So these are all the core components you have to follow while writing APA styles of referencing. This is all about APA style of referencing. Hope you understand. Thank you.